Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about Atma Yoga teacher training. There are 4 class session in this teacher training session. We discuss in 4 class session, 4 teacher training session for B.Ed. M.Ed. student and educators and professor also in university. First we see the first class session and what is consciousness. Thus the wise living entities pure consciousness become covered by his eternal enemy in the form of lust. Lust is a big eternal enemy for any human being, which is never satisfied and which burns like fire. The difference between matter and spirit is that matter has no consciousness like the living entity. Therefore, this consciousness is supreme and eternal consciousness cannot be produced by a combination of matter. Consciousness is a symptom of soul. Even if one does not find the soul within the heart where he is situated, one can still understand the pressure of soul simply by the presence of consciousness. First we see activities and behavior. Activities behavior discussion. First we see activities karma. Any endeavor, physical or mental, carried out to sustain life two ways. First Shubh and second is Ashubh, good and evil. Shubh means auspicious and purity form. Nitya, everyday things. Nel Mythica, every once in a while things. Kam mein selfish desire. Ashubh, inauspicious, vikarm, doing things inappropriate, not nice, preserves even to evil. Akarma, inactivity, also considered as a ashubh karma. Shubh and ashubh. There are diagram. Selfish desire काम में and selfless desires nitya naimittic karma come in Shubh auspicious, and other hand Ashubh inauspicious, selfish. Part of the problem, selfish is the basic problem of society, detrimental, cause harmful for society as well as individual also. So we must perform an activities and behavior according to Shubh. What influence your consciousness? Shubh work and Ashubh work. How influence your consciousness? First, sound vibration, music, talking, and internal chatter. Activities, behaviors also influence your consciousness. Food also influence your consciousness. जैसा खाओगे अन्न वैसा रहेगा मन. Other people, your surrounding and your environment and your social environment also influence your consciousness. Visual, you see anything, you see everywhere any type of the thing, that thing are also influence your consciousness. What you wear, what you eat, what you're listening, what you're seeing, what your thought, anything influence your consciousness. SAC CID Anand, Sachidanand, Sat plus Chit plus Anand, Sachidanand. Give the individual back his complete experience and understanding of his reality comes from Sat, eternity, eternal, truth, absolute, and Chit, knowledge, understand, and Anand, joy and bliss. Bliss means when pleasure with Shubh is called Ananda. And pure pleasure, pure happiness, not Sukh, that is a Ananda. Atma Yoga fundamentals. Be honest about where you are starting. Be honest about where your student is starting. Very important for a teacher, for a teacher people, for a people teacher, for a educator, for a professor, for a manager, for a management also. Vedas purpose. First we see purpose of Vedas. Vedas means truth. Purpose is to move you towards your true nature. Lord Krishna to Arjun, yo yo ya tanaha bhaktau gradaha yuchitam ichiti tasye tasyakla kradah tam iva vidyam aham. I am in everyone's heart as a super soul. As soon as one desires to worship some demigod, I make his faith steady so that he can devote himself to particular deity. जाकी भावना रहे है जैसी प्रभु मूरत देखे हैं तैसी. Like virtual reality or video game is must respond to the individual. Machinery of reality has to respond to the desires of a player. You are not actually doing anything. Another example would be dreaming. You do anything, your work behind the God. Yoga spectrum must prepare the nervous system for change in consciousness. Range from mechanical to surrender. Mechanical means controlled, self-initiated, more outside in. In other hand, surrender is guided, divinely inspired, more inside out. It means yoga spectrum range from mechanical to surrender, outside to inside, control to guided, individual self to supreme self. First we see goals of Atma Yoga program. What are the purpose and what are the goals of this program, this teacher training program, Atma Yoga? To obtain an understanding of Vedas, source of yoga, as they are, compensate and comprehension. Second is develop respect of Vaishnavas as an authoritative source of knowledge. Vaishnavas, someone who is attached to God, someone who attached to Lord Krishna, ultimate example of spiritual activities. Someone who is believed in supernatural power, supreme God, Godhead. To realize the nature of divine self and its constitutional position. Knowing who you are and how you were originally set up. The foundation question of philosophy as well as a person. To create spiritually conscious teacher, leaders and healers and educators. Atma Yoga re-engineers Hut and Raja into a more complete yoga in consideration and understanding of the Vedas. Transcendental means no physical, not mystical, to lead to original nature, to lead to you are within, to lead to Aham Brahmasmi, to lead to Tatumasi, to lead to Sarv Khalidam Brahm. Highest achievement in Vedas is the state of boundless and spontaneous love, pure love, super love. Bottom line of any yoga practice is humility and tolerance. Humility and tolerance. Golden age in Kali Yuga. Humility and tolerance heralds the golden age, leads to service and sacrifice as act of love and compassion, which have the power to free and soul and transform society. Golden age in Kali Yuga last 10,000 years. new wave of consciousness coming to the world. First, opening with chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. When we go to opening the session, first we must chanting 3 times of Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I humbly offer my respect to the personality and source of pure consciousness. This is the translation of this mantra. And some homework expectations for our trainers. Workbook, daily sadhana, it means minimum 3 kriyas, reading and memorize some aspect, teacher mantras, silent teacher chant, opening class chant, Shavasana relaxation sequence, ending chant. Extreme familiarity with the power yoga class enables you to focus on the class. You must memorize that aspect. Required reading 4 main texts in order of reading. Searching for Vedic India, due for Vedas and 18 Puranas. Human devolution, due 5 by 15. Spiritual warrior third, due 4 by 23. Leadership for higher consciousness, due 6 by 5. Write 100 word chapter views for first 3 books. Also write a short review of each book. 250 to 500 words. And supplemental text also we must read it. Asan, pranayam, mudra, bandh. Yog Pradipika and Hidden Glory of India, Satyaraja Das ki, and Isho Upanishad, Vedic text translation. Atma Yoga, 3 style of yoga. Kundalini, most powerful yoga. Slow, deep stretch, second most powerful. And third, power yoga, third most powerful yoga. Power rating is based on transformation aspect. Explanation of sets, sequences. Sets are predetermined. Don't change the sequence because it is designed for effectiveness. First, power yoga set. Dozens of slow deep stretch, hundreds of kundalini. Each set as a progression curve, and the arc set begins and set end. Prepare purification, then transformation change, and third is assimilate ground. First our objective, then process, then outcome of the our input. Factors of protection for a set. Teacher mantra, opening class invocation. Sets may have sound vibration in them. Structured integrity of the sets. Systematic relaxation. Reading of applicable stories. Call outs of love and prasadam. Distribution of sanctified food, sweets, salties, nuts, raisins, namkins, groundnuts, etc. Vedas, purpose to life. Inquire into the nature of truth. The basic purpose of Vedas. What is the truth and what are the nature of truth? Why are you here? Some reason dissatisfied with spirit world, or we were given the opportunity to experience it. Studying the Vedas. Vedas are the original knowledge. As conditioned souls, we are subject to deficiencies. First, must commit mistakes. Second, prone to illusion. You are not this body. You are the pure consciousness. Cheating, propensity, and fourth is senses are imperfect. Hindu designation does not appear in the Vedas. We are Varna Ashram. Denotes followers of the Vedas. Varna, 5 division of society, and ashram, 4 division of society, and ashram, 4 division of spiritual life. 4 division of society are: first, spiritual leader, Brahman. Second is administrative and warrior leader, means Kshatriya. Third is merchant or agriculturalist, farmer. Or Vaishya. And fourth is artisan, craft person, and servicemen are Sudras. Nothing in the Vedas says there is a birth right to divisions. You must earn your right. Age of Kali Yuga degraded the division of society into an actual lineage. Vedas are Shruti acquired by hearing from first living creature to get knowledge handed down by succession. Three kind of evidence: pratyaksh, direct evidence, collect with senses; anuman, inductive knowledge; theory then prove. And third is shabd praman, authoritative source beyond this world. But after the Vedas, we consider six kinds of evidence: pratyaksh, anuman, shabd, upman, arthapatti, and anuplabdhi. Studying the Vedas, two class of transcendentalists. First, impersonal, sectarian; second is personal, universal, and Vaishnav. Knowledge acquired, inductive method and deductive method. Facts to general conclusion, research then prove, is called inductive method of knowledge. And second is deductive, general conclusion to specific. Nigman. Transcendental energy sounds outside the material plane, which begin to undo karma, both good and bad. Speed of the mind is so swift, like a split second. Spiritual master rightly heard from the authoritative source, practically established in Brahma, truth, Brahman. Originally, there was one Veda, didn't have to read it because beings were able to comprehend and remember upon hearing. 5000 years ago, Vyasdev wrote down the Vedas because of the start of Kali Yuga and society's degradation. The first Ved is Rig Ved, Samved, Atharved, and Yajurved. There are 4 Ved. The Vedas. Vedas means knowledge, Gyan. From the root with, which means to know, Janana. The Vedas were composed in Sanskrit language. The multitude of diverse desires is one reason why the Vedas are explaining things in different ways. The Vedas don't have an age. 5,000 years ago, Ved Vyas put down the Vedas in written because of the start of Kali Yuga and society's degradation. The four Vedas, Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. When someone refers to the three Vedas, they are referring to the first three on the list. The Atharvaveda is sometimes considered separately. Trived, Trivarg. These four are also referred to as a Karmakand. Atharvaveda is also considered as a Karmakand. There are 1130 branches in total, each with 4 divisions for a total of 4520 titles. 4 divisions are explanatory, Sahita means essays, Brahman handbook for reincarnation and sacrifices, Aranyak treatise for renunciation, for going off to the forest, exoteric knowledge and wisdom, and last is Upanishad, philosophical text spoken by Lord Brahma in the form of a billion verses. Entire Puranas emanated from his mouth. There are only the following left of the 4520 titles: 11 Sahitas, 18 Brahmanas, 7 Aranyaka, and 220 Upanishads. Rig Veda. Meaning of Rig Veda is praise. Contains 1028 hymns. Praise the demigods for victory in war. It is divided into 10 mandals, concentric circles. It is the most famous of Vedas. There are 21 branches of Rig Vedas and Samved, meaning together. The meaning of Samved is together, Sat. Contains the melodies and music for the changes that are in the Rig Veda. There are 1000 branches of Samveda. And we see Yajurveda. Yajurveda means sacrifice. It explains how to construct altars and conduct sacrifice. Specific texts are Krishna and Shukla. Krishna means black and Shukla means white. This Veda later become the source of corruption for the priestcrafts. There are 100 branches of Yajurved. And we see Atharved. The meaning of Atharved is fire. Contains magical spells and incantations. Prayers in two categories: Bishajani, which are healing and curing, and Abhikara, which cause disease and harm to others. There are 9 branches of Atharvedas. We see the development and division of Veda. Rigved divided into 10 mandals. First we see the meaning. Meaning of Rig is praise, divided into 10 mandals and 1028 hymns and 21 branches. Samved matlab means together, melodies and music for the Rig hymns, and 1000 branches. And Yajurved means of Yajur, sacrifice, construction of altars and conduction sacrifice, and 100 branches of Yajurved. And Athar means fire, magical spells and incantations, and 9 branch of Atharveda. And supplementary text, Puranas, story and history, traditionally called the 5th Veda, and 18 Mahapuranas. Itihas, epics, Ramayana, Mahabharata includes the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the part of Mahabharata. And Sutras, aphorisms, Upavedas, and 6 Vedangas. Puran means Mahapuranas. 6 Satvik Puranas: Vishnu Puran, Nardiya Puran, Bhagavad Puran, Garud Puran, Padam Puran, and Varaha Puran. And 6 Rajasic Puran: Brahma Puran, Brahmand Puran, Brahma Vevarth Puran, Markandeya Puran, Bhavishya Puran, and Vaman Puran. And 6 Tamasic Puran: Matsya Puran, Kurma Puran, Ling Puran, Shiv Puran, Skind Puran, and Agni Puran. 18 Up Puran, and numerous Sthal. Itihas meaning stories. Ramayana, the epic of Lord Ram and Sita. Mahabharata, mainly the story of Lord Krishna, the Pandav and the battles of Kurukshetra. Includes the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita means song of Lord. Sutras, Books of concise truth. Vedanta Sutras, Susrut Sutras, Grahi Sutras, Sulabh Sutras, and Dharma Sutras. Vedanta, auxiliary science connected with Vedic study. First Shiksha, phonetics, Chand, meter, Vyakaran, grammar, Nirukt, etymology, and Jyotish, astronomy, astrology. Upavedas, science is not directly related to Vedic study. Ayurveda, study of holistic medicine. Gandharva Ved, study of music and dance. Dhanurved, military science. Sthapatya Ved, architecture. This is the Vedic literature. Ved, four Ved, Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, Atharved. Puranas, 6 Satvik Puran, 6 Rajasic Puran, and 6 Tamasic Puran, and other Puranas. Itihas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Sutras, Vedanta, Susrut, Grihini, Dhanur, Dharma, and Shabd. Upavedas, Ayurveda, Dhanurved, Sthapatya Ved, Gandharva Ved, and Vedang, Shiksha, Vyakaran, Chand, Nirukt, Jyotish, and Ganit, mathematics. Division of Vedic literature. Shruti, meaning that which is heard. The four Veds, Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyak, and Upanishad. Smriti, meaning that which is remembered. Puranas and Itihas. Nyay meaning logical expression. Sutras. View by division of Vedas. First we see Shruti. Shruti, there are four Vedas: Rig, Yajur, Sam, and Athar. Rig, Aitreya and Kaushitiki. Yajurved, Krishna Yajur and Shukla Yajur. Krishna Yajur में कट उपनिषद, श्वेत श्रोत्र उपनिषद, मैत्रेयी उपनिषद, महानारायण उपनिषद, तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद, शुक्ल पक्ष ईशावास्य उपनिषद, बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, and Atharved, Mundak Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, and Prasan Upanishad. Samved have no any type of Puranas. Smriti, Itihas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Upavedas and Puranas also. And Nyay, Sutras, Brahma Sutra, and other type of the sutras. Agam, doctrine created by Lord Shiva. Agam, supplemental instruction for worship. Shakt, energy. Shakti, presiding deity. Shora visible source sun. Ganpati controller. Shiva destroyer, and Vakashna ultimate source. Tantra created for purification of those who have fallen below the level of purification required to practice Agam. Sri Vidya, eternal, internal, sometime called the right hand, Sat Lakshmi. Sri Vidya. Mishra, mixed internal and external, Rajas Saraswati. And Kaushal, for personal sense gratification, total black magic. Today, Tamas Kali. Six aspect of knowledge: Visheshika, atomic structure; Nyay, logic; Yoga, mystical unfolding of the mind, Hatiraj Yoga; Shankya, categorization; Karmimamsa, material responsible; and Uttarmimamsa, Vedanta, absolute truth. Three school of approaches: Karma Kand, Gyan Kand, and Yog Kand. And it means Bhakti Kand. Karma Kand, material responsible experiences. Gyan Kand, spiritual knowledge. And Yog Kand and Bhakti Kand means surrender, mystical or devotional. Social harmony in the Vedas, Varna Ashram system, the ideal spiritual advancement, service, the collapse, self arrangement, exploration. Satya, ideal. No caste, no class division. Undivided Veda is expressed by the syllable Oha, and God is worshipped as Lord Hasa through the process of meditation. The people of Satyug are for the most part self-satisfied, merciful, friendly to all, peaceful, sober and tolerant. They take their pleasure from within, see all things equally, and always endeavor diligently for spiritual perfection. In Treta Yuga, Treta Yuga. At the beginnings of Treta Yuga, Vedic knowledge appeared from the original source of Pran in three divisions: as Ag, Sam, Rigved, Samved, and Yajurved. Then, from that knowledge, God is worshipped as the threefold sacrifice. In Treta Yuga, each leg of religion is gradually reduced by one quarter by the influence of four pillars of irreligion: lying, violence, dissatisfaction, and quarrel. There are not In Treta Yuga, each leg of religion is gradually reduced by one quarter by the influence of the four pillars of irreligion: lying, violence, dissatisfaction, and quarrel. They are not expressively violent or very lustily after sensual pleasure. Their interest lies primarily in religiosity, economic development, and regulated sense gratification. And they achieve prosperity by following the prescriptions of the three Vedas. Although in this age society evolves into four separate classes. In Treta Yuga, the four social orders were manifested. The Brahman appears were like the head, intelligence of society. The Kshatriya were like the strong arms for protection of society, and Vaishya were like the things for forward movement of society, and labor and artisan were like the feet for support of society. These categories are classification in terms of one's work and one's service. Social harmony in Vedas and Dwapara. In Dwapar Yuga, the virtuous qualities of austerity, truth, mercy, and charity are reduced to one half by their irreligious counterparts: dissatisfaction, untruth, violence, and enmity. In the Dwapar age, people are interested in glory and are very noble. They devote themselves to the study of the Vedas, possess great opulence, support large families, and enjoy life with vigor. Of the four classes, the Kshatriya and Brahmanas are most numerous. And Kali Yuga, in the age of Kali, only one fourth of the principal have virtue remains. The last remnant will continuously be decreased by the ever increasing principle of irreligion and will finally be destroyed. In Kali Yuga, Kali age, people tend to be greedy, ill behaved, and merciless, and they fight one another without good reason. Unfortunate and obsessed with material desire. The people of Kali Yuga are almost all members of the exploited classes. Social harmony in Vedas. Cities will be dominated by thieves. The Vedas will be contaminated by speculative interpretations of atheist. Political leaders will virtually consume the citizens, and the so-called priests and intellectuals will be devotees of their beliefs and genitals. The Brahmanas students will fail to execute their oaths and become generally unclean, and householders will become beggars, and Vanprasth retired class will live in the village, and sannyas will become greedy for wealth. Above all, above all, the age will be marked by conflict between the common people and those in power, and the three-way struggle between the materialist and politico and pseudo-spiritualist, all learned as in this iron age of Kali men have but short lives. They are quarrelsome, lazy, misguided, unlucky, and above all, always disturbed. The four ages described in these slides are manifestation of various modes of material societal harmony in the Vedas. We see the Treta Yuga. At the beginning of Treta Yuga, Vedic knowledge appeared from the original source of prana in three divisions as Rigved, Samved and Yajurved. Then from that knowledge God is worshipped as the threefold sacrifice. Each leg of religion is gradually reduced by 1/4 by the influence of the four pillars of religion: lying, violence, dissatisfaction, and quarrel. They are not excessively violent or very lusty after sensual pleasure. Their interest lies primarily in religiously economic development and resulted sense gratification, and they achieve prosperity by following the prescriptions of the three Vedas. Although in this age society evolves into four separate classes. In Treta Yuga, the four social order were manifested. The Brahman appeared were like the head intelligence of society. The Kshatriya were like the strong arm of society or protection of society. The Vaishya were like the thighs or forward movement of society, and laborer and artisan were like the feet of society for support of society. These categories are classification term of one's work and service. Social harmony in Dwapara. In Dwapar Yuga, the virtues qualities of austerity, truth, mercy, and charity are reduced to one half by their irreligious counterparts. dissatisfaction, untruth, violence, and enmity. In the Dwapar age, people are interested in glory and are very noble. They devotee themselves to the study of the Vedas, possess great opulence, support large families, and enjoy life with vigor. Of the four classes, the Kshatriya and Brahman are most numerous. In Kali Yuga, in the age of Kali, only one fourth of the principle of virtue remains. The last remain, remnant will continuously be decreased by the increasing principle of irreligion and will finally be destroyed. In the Kali age, people tend to be greedy, ill behaved, and merciless, and they fight one another without good reason. Unfortunate and obsessed with material desires, the people of Kali Yuga are almost all numbers of the exploited class. Cities will be dominated by thieves. The Veda will be contaminated by speculative interpretations of atheists. Political leaders will virtually consume the citizens, and the so-called priests and intellectuals will be devotees of their bellies and genitals. The brahmacharis students will fail to execute their oaths and become generally unclean, and householders will become beggars, and vanprasth will live in the village, and sannyas will become greedy for wealth. Above all, the age will be marked by conflict between the common people and those in power, and the three-way struggle between the materialist and the politico and pseudo spiritualist. Or learned one in this iron age of Kali men have but short lives. They have quarrelsome, lazy, misguided, unlucky, and above all, always disturbed. The four A's described in these slides are manifestations of various modes of material nature. The age of truth, Satyug, manifests the predominance of material goodness, and Kali Yuga manifests the predominance of darkness. According to Sri Vedanta Chakravarti Okara, within each age of these three ages occasionally manifest sub-age. Thus, even within Satyug, evil in the mode of ignorance may appear, and within the age of Kali, the highest spiritual principle may flourish for some time. Societal harmony in Vedas, societal roles and corresponding individual responsibilities, intelligentsia, spiritual knowledge, administrative, societal integration, productive development of the mind, and artisan and common assistance, maintenance of the body. Everyone must be given assistance to advance. There are four Varnas: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and common assistant Sudra. Brahman: peacefulness, self-control, austerity, cleanliness, satisfaction, tolerance, simple straightforwardness, devotion to me, mercy and truthfulness are the natural quality of the Brahmanas. And Kshatriyas: dynamic power, bodily strength, determination, heroism, tolerance, generosity, great endeavor, standingness, devotion to the Brahmanas, and leadership are the natural quality of Kshatriya. In Vaishya: faith in Vedic civilization, dedication to charity, freedom from hypocrisy, service to the Brahmanas and perpetually desiring to accumulate more money are the natural quality of the Vaishya. In Shudras: service without duplicity to the Brahmanas, cow, devas and other worshipable personalities, and complete satisfaction with whatever income is obtained in such service are the natural quality of those provide common assistance of Sudras. According to Veda, these roles are not human nature but fluid changing attributes. If one shows the symptoms of being a Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra as described above, even if he has appeared in a different class, he should be accepted according to those symptoms of classification. Those in harmony stay in society. Non-violence, truthfulness, honesty, desire for the happiness and welfare of all others, and freedom from lust, anger, and greed constitute duties for all members of society. Those out of harmony populate jails and social institutions. Uncleanliness, dishonesty, thievery, faithfulness, useless quarrel, lust, languor, and banking constitutes the nature of those in the lowest position outside the Varnashram system. Social harmony in Vedas: life role, student, householder, retired person, and devotional. Social harmony in Vedas: the soul role above even social roles, living out the nature of the soul and fulfilling your mission. This overrides our all divisions. Thank you. Nature.